Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to my presentation. My name is Joey Terry, and this is Seattle, Washington, a city defined by music. I did my interview with my father, Steve Terry. He is born and raised, still lives in Capitol Hill, in Seattle, Washington. He regularly visits the Impetuous Mystique album store. That's just one of the album stores located in Capitol Hill. It's just right there in the middle on Aloha. It's a nice little place to get yourself some tunes. His parents really didn't like the music he listened to, the rock and roll, all the different type, the jazz fusion that he listened to. They were more into like swing band type stuff. He loves like rock and jazz and reggae. He loves attending concerts and banging around in the mosh pit. He just thrives in that arena. He also bought his parents their first color TV, even though they didn't support his music taste. Rock and roll in Seattle. It's ingrained in Seattle, I guess. Jimi Hendrix was and still is the man, probably the greatest artist to ever come out of Seattle. Many people call Seattle the birthplace of modern grunge, and it pioneered the genre and really made it what it is today. Some of the notable rock artists that have come out of Seattle are Jimi Hendrix, Nirvana, Alice in Chains, Soundgarden, the Foo Fighters, and Pearl Jam. Hip hop in Seattle. Some of the established artists are guys like Macklemore, Nacho Picasso, Sir Mix-a-Lot, and Juice the God. Some of the greatest. Rest in peace, Juice the God. Some of the greatest to ever do it. A couple of the up-and-coming artists. Some guys that you just got to watch out for that'll be coming up onto the scene here soon are Flem, Queese, and Lil Mosey. Some very talented hip hop artists. I would say that Seattle definitely has an undervalued hip hop community historically, meaning I guess Seattle doesn't get the credit it so deserves in the hip hop genre. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support your local Seattle artists. Their SoundClouds are Flem and Queese, and those are shown below. So thank you for tuning in, and have a heck of a day.